Hello friends, today I am here with new conversation, learn English conversation for beginners. Today I am going, so many are there, those who don't know English, those who can't speak in English, they don't know how to question and how to answer. I am going to question itself and I am going to answer itself. How, so the first one is, excuse me, are you English? No, I am American. Do you speak English? A little, but not very good. What do you do? I am a student. How old are you? I am 26 years old. Are you married? No, I am not married. How long have you been here? About 2 years. How many children do you have? I have 3 children, 2 daughters and one son. How many languages do you speak? I speak 2 languages. How are you? I am fine. And you? Would you like to have coffee? No thanks. I like tea. How about a cup of tea? It sounds good. What are you planning to do today? I am not sure. Would you like a drink? Sure, let's go. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Do you need a few minutes? I think we are ready. Anything else? Nothing else. Whom would you like to speak to? I didn't like to speak to Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith. When will he be back? He will be back in 20 minutes. What time does it start? It starts at 8 o'clock. What will the weather be like tomorrow? It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Are you afraid? No, I'm not afraid. Are you allergic to anything? Yes, I'm allergic to seafood. Are you hungry? Yes, I'm hungry. Are you sick? Yes, I'm sick. Are you sure? No, I'm not sure. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Do you have a girlfriend? No, I don't have a girlfriend. Do you have any vacancies? Sorry, we don't have any vacancies. So, do you understand? Yes, I understand. How far is it? About 20 kilometers. How does it taste? It's delicious. What is your job? I'm self employed. How much money do you have? I don't have any money. What's today's date? October 22nd. How much is it to go to Hanoi? It's $50. It is raining. Yes, it's raining. What does he do? He is a farmer. What does this means? That means friend. What time is checkout? 11:30 p.m. What time is it? It's a quarter past 7. What size? Size 8. Where is the closest hotel? There is a hotel over there, but I don't think it's a very good hotel. Where are you leaving? I am leaving tomorrow. When are you leaving? I am leaving tomorrow. When is your birthday? My birthday is on 17th. Where are you from? I am from Vietnam. Where would you like to go? I would like to go to home. How is the weather? It's going to be hot today. It hurts here. Where does it hurt? It hurts here. When do you get off work? I get off work at 6 p.m. How is your business? Business is good. One way or round tips? One way. Where is an ATM? Behind the bank. Where is the pharmacy? It's near the supermarket. Are you busy? Yes, I have a lot of things to do. Is it ready? Everything is ready. What are you doing? I am cleaning my room. Are you okay? Yes, I am okay. How was that film? It was very interesting. Can I help you? Yes, I am looking for a sweater. What? I am looking for a sweater. What is wrong? Nothing. I am fine. What do you call this? It's an umbrella. Where did you go on holiday? We went to Vietnam. Why did you go shopping? I needed a new shirt. Can you play tennis? Yes, I can play tennis. Excuse me, is this a seat taken? No, it isn't. Would you mind moving over one? No, not at all. How much is it? It's an $50. How much altogether? It's $10. How much are these earrings? 50 cents. How much does this cost? It's $50. Are they the same? Yes, they are the same. Can I try it on? Sure. The changing rooms are over there. What's that? It's a dog. May I open the window? Certainly. Is this your shirt? No, it's my father's shirt. Who is this? It's Jack. How is she? She's pretty. What seems to be the problem? I can't find my laptop. How much money do you have? I only have $7. How much do you make? $5 per hour. Thank you. Please subscribe.